Bisi Ologe o. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ mọ̀ nípa àṣà Yorùbá, tẹ́ bá fẹ́ mọ̀ nípa àwọn òṣèré, tẹ́ bá fẹ́ mọ̀ nípa aṣọ oge pátí, ẹ wo Bisi Ologe. Ẹ mọ̀ kí mi ní púrọ́bù bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe wà. Ẹ gbà bẹ́ẹ̀.
Very sensible. You don't plant something in the middle of a battle when you're in the battlefield and you want to start planning enjoyment. So I believe I'll go to Ashwaju and thank him, thank God that the best present I could be given ever has been given to me. Ashwaju becoming the president, and I went to him, I returned, and I said the prayer. I give thanks to God. Believing I should go to bed, and you didn't know this. That means every one of you that came to pin me down this afternoon, lawyer, Mr. and Mrs. Rufai, Akishiku, my children, Dabi, and all of you, Bayo, Odwa. That means you all are cool plotters. You go like a cool right under my nose, and I never see it.
You want to listen to this song? They never say it.
Who is the chief cool planner?
Yes, sir. In one word, Emma Shora Veno. Emma Shora. She knows everything about it. Yeah, so love it, sir. I want.
And you are asking me to go to bed and rest. But you know, if I should go to bed, I'm not going to step down, okay?
Please, all the women in the house, put your hands together for yourselves. In other words, no matter how you plan as a man, a woman must have their own plan. And that is what is happening. And in other words, no matter how powerful you are, a woman will catch you. There you are, sir.
You did that to a general. Okay.
In other words, I think that general market in here. And when you collect general market, the next card is no. And you collect P. Ladies and gentlemen, for everyone that put this together, can we all put their hands together for them? Thank you very much. Now, it is an evening set aside to celebrate.
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.